Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. So, Huawei recently launched the world's first trifold smartphone with dual folding screens. Samsung is also working on its trifold phone, which will be released internationally, unlike the China exclusivity of Huawei's Mate X-T smartphone. Samsung seemingly speeding up its work on the trifold phone. The company has approval on a patent in the US Patent Office as spotted by MS Bowser. The move suggests that Samsung wants to commercialize a trifold in the future. The patent teases what a triple folding Galaxy device might look like. Notably, the company submitted a patent application on date back in July 2021. The authority has now approved the submission and published it on the database. Samsung's potential trifold phone could open once to a small tablet size and then extend again to reveal an even larger display. The aim is to offer the experience of a regular bar phone, a tablet, and a laptop through a single handset. Simply put, the Galaxy trifold could be a replica of the Huawei Mate X-T in terms of form factor and functionality. As Samsung is entering the market late, it's working on an even more flexible panel with increased durability. The work to lessen strain is also underway. To this end, the panel could get an anti-reflective layer. It may help with visibility and incorporating at least one of stainless steel, Invar, glass, and a titanium alloy, which could potentially help with durability. At CES last year, Samsung Display showcased several prototypes with innovative form factors. The array also included a trifold device referred to as Flex S. Approval on the patent should finally bring the dream trifold Galaxy to reality. That is it guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.